Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WeBoxing. I will be your host tonight, Dan Heim. Tonight it will be Thomas versus Shota, whatever his name is, he is Asian.
Thank you, Thomas. I'm warming up. Beginning of round one. Tom, he's just swinging away at Shota, but it's not working too well.
Boy, that's how that would go.
Looks like Shota is about to fall. Oh. End of round one. Oh, Shota is about to fall. Shota is down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And over. Oh my God. Tom won. Now let's interview him real quick. So Tom, how was the match? Speak up, Sonny.
What?
Look, here. Here's the microphone. Take this.
Hey, champ, can I have your autograph? Can I have your autograph, champ? On the back of my Leon Clem poster?
No.
Okay, well, for everybody here at WeBoxing and everybody else watching at home, good night.